Hello again and welcome back to the channel. Richard back again with another unboxing video, and today it's a new Steelbook collector's edition release from Warner Brothers here in the UK. So let's get this open, and we see that it's a Nightmare on Elm Street from Wes Craven, of course. So this is a Steelbook release and it's in their collector's edition. Ultimate collector's edition, sorry. So let's get this one opened. And check it out. Okay, so it's a rigid outer slip box. It's gone for a smooth matte finish. No treatment on the claw marks. The 18 and for the BBFC and Irish board are stickers. They can be removed. Old school Warner home video style on the spine. Underneath. Okay, so before I remove the J-slip, let's zoom in and have a look. So hopefully everybody's heard of this film. This includes both the theatrical version and uncut versions. So it includes the film in 4K and Blu-ray. It's got a rigid slipcase, steelbook, 24-page book, two-sided poster, COA, and 6 colourful art cards, character cards. The theatrical version is in 1.85:1 ratio and has Dolby Atmos. The uncut version is in exactly the same. Just a difference of soundtracks that you've got for both versions. The theatrical version has a lot more available, like German, Italian, Spanish, Parisian, French, but not as much on the uncut version. The Blu-ray has a DTS HD Master Audio 7.1 track, no Atmos on the Blu-ray. No Dolby Vision logo either. Okay, let's zoom out. Looking forward to watching this over the Halloween period. And there's the back. So, yeah, very nice. Let's slide everything out. Just put this down for a moment just to show you the box. It is one of the better boxes available, like Arrow and Second Sight. Reinforced card, really thick. So, Steelbook first. Okay, so it's a matte finish. No special treatment going on. There's the back. I'll zoom in a little bit more on the front for you. Okay, so there's the artwork. There's the spine. And there's the back with the credits. If we go inside, we can see the 4K disc on blood red, I'll say, and Blu-ray on blue. There's the nice internal artwork. The Blu-ray is 50 gig. And the 4K is a dual layer 66 gig. Okay, so that's the steel. Moving on, we've got a COA. This is number 269 out of 27,400 copies. That's a lot. And then for this one, the envelope is a smooth texture to it, like velvet. And let's slide this out. Okay, this doesn't open up. It's just an envelope pouch. So we've got quite a lot in here. So we've got this nice artwork as a poster. And this one on the flip side. And then the book has got not many pages. Again, smooth velvet feel to this one. Glossy pages inside. All photos, I believe. Yeah, and it's really nice. I don't have a limited edition of this film before. And then we got some smooth finished cards again, like a velvet feel, carrying it through the set. On the flip side, it's a bit rough. Nice Freddy. That's it. That's what you get in this nearly 27,500 copy release. Don't think that's going to sell out anytime soon, is it? So put everything back as it was. So yeah, be good to hear from you in the video below if you like this edition, and if you're a fan of the film or you don't like horrors, be good to hear from you. But if you did enjoy the video, please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you guys like, but do appreciate it. And again, thank you for watching. See you again soon. Goodbye.